The DICE DS and DM modules are equipped with 3 ports on the side. They can be used for secondary pumps or for additional accessories, such as a pulsation dampener, pressure transmitter, etc. The 2 lower ports are routed before the back pressure valve, and the top port is routed after the back pressure valve. In this video, we will be showing how simple you can integrate a pulsation dampener on a DICE DS module. Before proceeding with the pulsation dampener installation, make sure there is no pressure or residual chemical inside the DICE unit. Always wear the required personal protective equipment. Refer to the DICE DS and DM installation, operation, and maintenance manual for more information. Assemble the pulsation dampener and install the piping supports in the desired location prior to installation. Start by removing the chosen auxiliary port connector. Install the pulsation dampener in place using the piping supports. Screw the DICE connector in place. The pulsation dampener installation is now complete. If required, proceed with the pulsation dampener adjustment. Refer to your manufacturer's manual for more information on the pulsation dampener.